Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and today's video is going to be a get ready with me makeup and hair installing this unit, which is from DSoar Hair Company. This is the first time that I'm trying anything from their company. This is their Peruvian curly texture and it is in 26 inches. Let me step back. The 26 inch is the longest bundle, but I have a 26, 24, 22, and then a 20 lace frontal. I used all of the hair. Actually, no, I had like from here to here left, I think the most was about here, but I had a little bit left over. And honey, like when I say this hair is super thick, there's no way you need 3 bundles. Like literally I should have maybe used 2.5 at the most, because baby, it is thick. Okay, like it is super thick and it is long. This is what I wanted long curly hair. So this comes down not stretched to like my chest, below my chest. So I love the length of the hair. It's just, it is so thick, so thick. The curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. Okay, I did not put any product on the hair, so that's why it's a little bit frizzy, and I kind of like it frizzy anyway. But definitely if you put products on the unit, you can get the curls to be more defined. Sunday, you're in here for the long run, okay? You can't just be going in and out like you got hands to like twist a doorknob. You staying in here. Okay. Y'all, if y'all hear him scratching, it's because he's trying to get out and he's not going nowhere. But like I was saying, the unit is, the luster is low. The hair is just super thick, so it does have weight to it. It is not like the airy, fluffy texture that I normally prefer. But yeah, honey, take a look at this unit. I'm gonna try to catch him doing it. Yeah, so this is definitely a look. I love how obviously big it is. It just definitely has more weight to it. Yeah, so to me, this hair doesn't really feel Peruvian. It feels more like it's a Brazilian curly texture because it is more coarse and it is a little bit more heavy. And usually Peruvian hair, to me, from my experience, is more airy and more on the fluffier side. So yeah, I'm gonna stop right here so we can get into the clip of me doing this makeup look and installing this unit. So if you would like to see that, then just keep on watching. Oh yeah, y'all know, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share my video. Yes, and I will check y'all lovelies out in my next video. Bye.